In today's video, I'm gonna add motion blur effect using Snapseed mobile app. And if you are new to the channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon to get notified about new videos. So let's get it started. First of all, go to the healing tool option and remove the bike rider, because we need the motion blur effect only in the background. And now select double exposure, select the image, place it properly and increase the opacity to 100. Go to masking and brush out the distorted portion. Again, go to double exposure, select the image, place it and increase the opacity to 100. Go to masking and brush out the portion to remove the bike rider. Go to perspective, select scale and drag. Repeat this step until you get the desired motion blur effect in the background. Again, perspective, scale and drag. 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 So that's it. Go to double exposure, select the image, place it over the edited photo, increase the opacity to 100. Go to masking, brush out the portion to reveal the double exposure, like this, and it will take some time, I mean a lot of time, so please do have some patience. And I'm going to fast forward the video, so enjoy it with some bits. Okay, I'm almost done brushing the bike rider, and for the last step, go to the tune image option, lower the brightness a little bit, increase the contrast, a little bit of saturation, highlights a little bit, shadows, and a little bit of warmth. So that is the final output. Thanks for watching. Do follow me on Instagram @photorocks8d. See you in the next video. Keep clicking and keep inspiring.